Hello students, the Aryans Learning Center welcomes you. Students, today we will solve chapter second, exercise 2.3. Question number first we have already solved in last session. Today we will solve question number second. What is the question number second, students? In question number second, uh, see here. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. ठीक है, आपको चेक करना है फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं है. ठीक है, कैसे चेक करना है? बाय डिवाइडिंग द सेकंड बाय फर्स्ट. सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल को फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे. और स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के पहले हम जाने फैक्टर कब होता है ना? फैक्टर कब होता है, कब? तो स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो, इन प्रीवियस क्लास वी स्टडीड यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. ओके, in Euclid division algorithm we learned to find out HCF. Okay, when you got HCF, students, by using Euclid division algorithm, when did you get the HCF? Students, I am trying to remember you. When you get 0 as a remainder, okay, when you get 0 as a remainder, the divisor will be HCF, highest common factor, है ना? ये हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. ठीक है, कि भाई जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं और जब हमें रिमेनिंग 0 बचता है, रिमेनिंग 0 आ जाता है, इसका मतलब वह पॉलिनोमियल उस दूसरे पॉलिनोमियल का एक फैक्टर है ना? इन इजी वर्ड्स वी कैन से इफ पॉलिनोमियल डिवाइड completely by other polynomial. What? If a polynomial divides completely by the other polynomial, then the other polynomial is a factor of the polynomial. ठीक है, अगर कोई पॉलिनोमियल दिए हुए पॉलिनोमियल से पूरी तरह से डिवाइड हो जाता, रिमेनिंग कुछ नहीं बचता, तो वो पॉलिनोमियल उसका फैक्टर है ना? इट मींस डिवाइड करने पर क्या मिलना चाहिए हमें? रिमाइंडर क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए, है ना? अगर रिमाइंडर 0 है स्टूडेंट्स, तो पॉलिनोमियल क्या होगा? उस पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होगा. तो लेट अस चेक फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. देयर आर 2 पॉलिनोमियल्स. वन इज डिवाइजर t² - 3 and the second one is dividend. Okay, 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t² minus 90 minus 12. ठीक है, so let's solve it. We write here 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t² minus 90 and minus 12. Now divide by t² minus 3. Now I am explaining you step by step. First, what will you do? First, students, look here. What is the highest degree term of this polynomial? Highest degree term of this polynomial. So the highest degree term of this polynomial is 2t to the power 4. It is 4 degree on variable t. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 2t power 4. तो on getting the first term of quotient, on getting the first term of quotient, we divide we divide the highest degree term of dividend by the highest term of divisor. ठीक है, हम इसके हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म को इसके हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म से स्टूडेंट डिवाइड करेंगे टी स्क्वायर से. ठीक है, तो व्हेन वी डिवाइड 2t power 4 by t square, what we get? We get 2t and 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the first term of quotient? The first term of quotient is 2t square. What we do? We multiply this polynomial by 2t square and write the product under this polynomial, beneath this polynomial. Now multiply 2t square into t square, what you get? 2t power 4. ठीक है, and one thing is important, you have to write the product under the like term. ठीक है, 2t square minus 3, what you get? Minus 6t square, minus 6t square. Now students, subtract the second polynomial from the first one, and when we subtract, we change the sign of the second polynomial. Why we do so, students? Because the sign of minus multiply the whole brackets into the whole brackets. So we change the sign of all the terms. If it is positive, then it will be negative, and if it is negative, it will be positive. Now start the process, students. Both are negative and positive, so cancelled. What we have? We have 3t cube here. Look here, 6t square is positive and 2t square is negative. So what we do? We do subtraction process. 6 minus 2, then we get 4t square. What we have now? We have minus 9t minus 12. Students, this is remainder, but for the next step, it will be dividend. Okay, it will be dividend. Divisor is t square minus 3 and dividend is 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Like the first process, we will do the same. What is the highest degree term? So highest degree term is 3t cube. We divide the highest degree term by t square. What we get? We get 3t and 3 minus 2, 1. 3t. It means 3t. Or 3t is the second term of quotient. 3t is the second term of quotient. Now multiply 3t into t square. It means 3t cube. 3t cube. 3t minus 3. 3 3s are 9t. 9t. Where you will write it? Here. 9t. Okay. Now friends, change the sign, minus minus plus. Both are cancelled. Both are cancelled. Now what we have? We have 4t square minus 12. Okay, this is the remainder. But for next step, it will be dividend, and the first term, the greatest degree term is 4t square and divide by t square. T square cancel. Okay, then what we get? The third term of quotient is 4. Now multiply this by 4. Then we get 4t square and 4 3s are 12 minus 12. Okay, change the sign. it is positive, it is negative, and it is positive, cancel. It is positive and it is negative, cancel. We have 0 as a reminder. We got 0 as a reminder. Now write the answer, because reminder 0, hence it is the factor of second polynomial. Okay students, so like this you will solve. Okay, it is very easy. Understood? Okay, now we will see question number 2. Okay, students, this one is our second problem. The divisor is x square plus 3x plus 1 and dividend is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Now start the process of division. We write here, okay, we write here the same, it is dividend and it is divisor. Okay, first step, the greatest degrees term is 3x power 4 of this polynomial, students, and x square is the highest degree term of this polynomial. So we divide by x square. Okay, what we get? We get 3x, 4 minus 2, we get 2, 3x square. 3x square is the first term of quotient. Clear है students? 3x square क्या है? 3x square quotient का पहला term है. Now multiply this term by 3x square. What we get? Right here 3x square into x square. We get 3x power 4. 3x square multiply 3x. 3 3 is 9 x cube plus 9x cube. Now 3x square plus 1. What we get? We get plus 3x square. Okay students, now subtract the second term from the first, minus minus. जानते ही आप क्यों किया है ना? कैंसल 9x cube minus 5x cube plus, तो subtraction process here 4x cube. What we have? Minus 4x cube, because 9x cube is negative and it is greater than 5x cube. Here both are negative, 7 and 3, then it will be 10x square plus carried down 2x plus 2. Now it will be our new dividend. Okay, and the greatest degree term is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube divided by x square. What we get, student? 4 as it is, minus 4 as it is, and x 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 4x. Okay, what we get? Minus 4x. So minus 4x is the second term of quotient. Minus 4x is the second term of quotient. Now multiply this term by minus 4. Now student, we multiply this polynomial by minus 4x. What we get? We see minus 4x into x square, we get minus 4x cube, students. Then minus 4x into 3x, what we get? Plus minus minus 4 3 is 12, x and x square, minus 4x into 1, then what we get? Plus minus minus 4 1 is 4, 4x, students. Now subtract the second from first, it will be plus sign and it will be converted into plus sign, and it is also plus sign. Okay students, both are opposite. 12x square is positive and 10x square is negative, so it will be 2x square. 4x positive, 2x positive, it will be 6x and carry down 2. Now students, this one is our new dividend. And what is the greatest term of this dividend? 2x square. we divide 2x square by x square, x square x, what we get? We get 2 as the third term of quotient. Okay, now we multiply this polynomial by 2, then what we get? We see 2 multiplied by x square, we get 2x square, 2 multiplied by 3x, we get 6x students, and 2 multiplied by 1, we get 2 1 is 2. Okay students, now change all the sign, minus, minus and minus. Okay, cancel, opposite है, cancel, these are also opposite, and cancel, these are also opposite, remaining is 0 है ना, because remainder equal to 0, hence it is the factor of second polynomial. It is the factor of second polynomial. Okay students, it is the solution of question number 2. Now we will see question number 3. The question number 3 is students, this one is divisor x cube minus 3x plus 1, and this one is dividend x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay students, now start the process of division. It is dividend and it is divisor. What is the greatest degrees term of this polynomial students? X to the power 5. Okay, and what is the greatest degree of term of this polynomial? X cube. Okay, we divide x, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So what is the first term of quotient? X square, we write here x square, and multiply at this term by x square. Okay, x square into x cube, what we get? We get x to the power 5, x square multiplied by minus 3x, what we get? Minus 3x cube. X square multiplied by 1, what we get? Plus x square students. Okay, now change the sign of this polynomial. It is positive, it will be converted into negative. It is positive, it is negative, then it will be positive. It is positive, then it will be negative. Okay students, both are opposite, cancelled, and here both are opposite, cancelled. We have 4x cube minus and 3x is cube plus. Both are opposite. We will subtract 4x cube 3x cube. Okay, from 3x cube, then what we get? We get minus x cube, and carry down plus 3x plus 1. Now this is our new dividend, and what is the highest degree term of new dividend is minus x cube, and it's x cube. We divide minus 1 we have. Okay, so second term of quotient is minus 1, we multiply by minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into x cube, we get minus x cube, minus 1 multiply by minus 3x, we get plus 3x, and minus 1 plus 1, we get minus 1. Okay students, now change all the sign. Minus, it will be plus, plus it will be minus, and minus it will be plus. Both are cancelled, both are cancelled. What we have? 1 and 1, both are positive. The remainder is equal to 2. Hence, it is not factor of second polynomial. ओके स्टूडेंट, इस तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के तीनों प्रॉब्लम को हमने सॉल्व किया स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, आप समझ गए होंगे. इनको एक बार रिवाइज कर ले. ठीक है, कल वापस मिलते हैं. थैंक यू.